crazy. Y'all are crazy. Jesus Christ.
Wow. Hello Bigfoot enthusiasts, Scott here from Squatch America, and today we are parked here at a skydiving place. We just got done doing the Elgin train. We didn't get a lot of film there, but we had a good time on the train. The train was packed, sold out, a lot of fun. Hi, my name's Scott. I'm with Squatch America. So what is Squatch America, you ask? And we are on our way to Medellin Falls, the Medellin Falls Bigfoot Festival, and we'll be there tomorrow.
The Medellin Falls Bigfoot Festival returns to Pend Oreille County June 15th and 16th. Discover the rich history, folklore, and mystery. From Sasquatch-themed crafts to Bigfoot merchandise, a 5K fun run, and plenty of food. This event is guaranteed to leave you amazed and entertained. Hear from the county's experts about their Bigfoot sightings or sign up for the presenters dinner and talk with them firsthand. The Medellin Falls Bigfoot Festival. For tickets and information, go to mf-bigfoot.com.
But tonight, we're halfway there. We're spending the night at a skydiving place. So, give you an idea. Here's our truck. Here's our camper. Kind of boondocking it for the night. And there's the airplane. So he just landed. They're getting ready to put the airplane away. But we had a lot of fun. We just watched them go up and jump out of a perfectly good airplane. Oh, that's the plane I always wanted. Honey, Cessna Caravan. Yeah, we're in a place near Ritzville, Washington, and we're spending the night. But little known fact, there has been over 100 airplanes, in fact, well over 100 airplanes that I have took off with and didn't land with. Yep, I was a paratrooper in the military, and I enjoyed every jump I did. It was a lot of fun, and my knees can prove it.
That damn Sasquatch.